Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to make our own APK, that an installable APK for your Flutter application. Okay, so coming on straightforward to the video, you can send this APK to anyone. There's no Play Store needed and there's no as such complicated setup, so let's get into it. So before starting the video, let me tell you there are some of the things that you will need. First of all, a Flutter SDK, of course, if you're developing in Flutter, and you need Android Studio, or at least the Android SDK and the command line tools. A Flutter project, obviously, that I'm gonna show you right now. I was working on my internship application, so I'm gonna show you how I'm going to create an APK from that application right now, as this is a production grade application. So, and also you need at least some bit of storage in your device, because it takes a little bit of storage in your device depending on the application, how big it is. So let's get into it. Okay, so here's my actual project right now. You can see right now we are in this code folder and we're in Flutter frontend, and the project I'm working on, it's a bit descriptive. I cannot tell you that thing because of my internship restrictions, but yeah, this is the overall interface that I'm showing you of my application. I can't show you further, but yeah, let's say I'm going to give it to someone, like let's say my intern, maybe someone in my internship wants to see the progress of the current application right now. Okay, so I'm going to not show that right now it's in my emulator. Okay, but to show someone actually running on that phone, you need to build an APK, right? And for someone having an Android phone, it's very easy to build and run the APK. So let me just show you how can you do it yourself. Okay, so first you're gonna come in this folder, and like this, if you don't know how to change folder, then the command is cd, and then you can just look at what command you need. Like let's say I'm gonna, here right now we are going to see the current directory we are in, so we are gonna go in the Flutter frontend directory. Okay, now why do I know this is my main directory? Because we have pubsec.yaml, which is the main file to show and prove that we are in the root directory right now. So we are simply going to type the command flutter build apk -release. Okay, this is the only command that you will need to build the APK of your application, existing application. And there we go. Let's wait for our so let's wait for the APK to get built, and right now it's running some of the processes that are required to build the APK. Okay, so let me tell you what will happen after the APK is built. Okay, right now we are in this. Okay, so how will you find the APK? Okay, let me just tell you. Go in this build folder. Okay, as you can see, go in this build folder if you want to see where I am right now. So if you just close this thing, let's just close this thing. Okay, right, we are gonna go in this build folder, and then in the build you will find this app folder. Go in this app folder, you will find outputs, and in the outputs you will find Flutter APK, and then that's your APK, app release.apk. okay, you're going to send app release.apk to the customer or to the client that you want to send this APK, and then they can simply install it in their phone and they can run it. Okay, that's also very simple. So how can you share this APK? You can share it over WhatsApp, Telegram. I usually share it in Telegram and WhatsApp, or else you can share it on Discord. You can even send it on Gmail, and the best thing is Google Drive. It's also very good, or maybe on Slack. Anywhere you can send it. Even you can plug in your phone and transfer the APK directly. That's also very convenient nowadays. If this tutorial helped you, then do consider giving a like and subscribe to the channel for more such content in future. Until then, thank you very much.